What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you all today with, as you can see, something a little different because it's not a happy planner item. I actually ordered my plum paper. I know I mentioned a little bit in my Chicago planner conference like overview slash vlogs. If you haven't checked out that video, you can check it out right here and get a little bit of backstory. But I did go ahead and use the coupon that Christina so graciously gave the attendees and got my own plum paper. So before we get into this unboxing, if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do all things planner, vlogs, craft related here. So if you are into those kinds of things, you will definitely enjoy this channel. Now, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So I did actually cut open this part just so it's easier to open up with you all. So let me take a peek at this. I don't want to give away no coupon codes. No coupon codes. So you get this little I don't know, info thing. I don't know what you would call it. And it's their logo and their little saying, personalized for you, by you. And it just kind of gives a little background of the plum paper and tell you like the pattern of the month. You can get 20% off accessories if you buy 3 or more, yada yada. Oh, and it says, as a thank you, we've included a sample sticker sheet in the gift tag. So check out our website for a variety of stickers to choose from. We hope you love everything in the box. So that is just a quick, nice little note. Okay, just wanted to make sure that my address isn't on it. Sometimes there's like packing slips in here. So this is the cover material. It says, try me. It's water resistant, tear proof, and ridge and sturdy. So let's see. It is definitely tear proof. I mean, it does bend up a little bit, but there's no way I'm gonna be able to tear that. And if I can't tear it, that means my toddler can't tear it. So that's even better. All right, so it says a year older and a year bolder. Okay, so it's just like a little tag to give to someone, preferably I'm assuming for their birthday. And it has a little hole here you can punch out and make it as a gift tag. That's cute. So I'm guessing this is a little sample sheet of stickers. It says, make today ridiculously amazing. Let the new adventures begin. Then you have like just some functional stuff that says yay, woo, appointment, reminder, due, things like that. So cute little sample. This bad boy is super thick, y'all. So let's just move this box. I'm super excited to dive up in here. Let me take this plastic off. Alright, so as you guys can see, I did not get my planner spiral bound. I am not a spiral bound planner. You guys know I love my discs. So I am going to go through and punch this. So there is going to be a separate setup video, but I just want to show you all what the planner looks like. So I did pick the size 7x9, which is really comparable to the classic size Happy Planner. The cover that I chose, this is just a clear cover. I may not be able to use this unless maybe I'll try to punch it with the Art Punch, but it will be a little bit off than the Happy Planner punch. So I am praying that this cover at least will go through the Happy Planner punch, but just me holding this clearer cover, it ain't happening. So this is the cover that I got that is customized. I got my monogram. I didn't use my full name. I used Myra because that's what everybody calls me. And the quote that I put at the bottom, if you guys can see, it says, and so she decided to start planning the life she imagined. I actually found this little quote on Pinterest and I thought it was so perfect to put on this planner. Really love how the cover came out. And honestly, this like color combo is so me. I was thinking this was more purple, but I actually like that it's more on the blue side. This is the favorite color that I could find. It was really hard to choose because there's so many choices, but I really love this cover. I actually seen this cover on her table at Chicago Planner Conference, and it had something different on it, of course, like a little quote in the middle, but I knew I was probably going to get this cover once I seen it. So you have your page where you put your name and all that good jazz, and on the back of that we have half of 2020, the other half of 2020 is there, and then once you flip that over, 2021, and then you have like special dates that you can jot down, ideas, plans, and goals. And my planner actually starts in June. Reason being is because at Chicago Planner Conference, they did give us a swag drop, and all of the planners started in March through May. So we got 3-month sample to kind of play around with it. So I knew I wanted to continue on with the Plum Planner. As far as what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to figure that out, so I'll keep you all updated. But I just knew that I wanted to try this after hearing her speech. And here is how the monthly looks. You get 3 goals up top: birthday, events, and things to remember. I'm not too much of a currently page girl. I don't really fill these out, but I am trying to use the Plum Paper as the best as I can with it right now, so I may start trying to do those. So we have June, just a little bit of notes page. Of course, you have your monthly with a Sunday start date. And oh, and by the way, I did get colorful. I was gonna get neutral, but honestly, neutral was still a little bit dull for me. I guess through and through, I do like color. Although to me, this is fairly neutral. I guess I'm used to the Happy Planner where there's color everywhere, but to me, this is still fairly neutral. All right, so here is the fun stuff. I'm not gonna go through the whole planner, of course, so let's just pull out the first week of June so you can see the customization that I did with my planner. There is actually, this is like too funny because this is the first week of June. However, they messed up on my customization on here. Okay guys, so let's pause right here. Obviously there isn't a misprint. When I pulled out the 2 pages, I didn't realize that I flipped over the right page to the opposite side, because as you can see, it goes from the 3rd of June to the 8th of June. And I did not realize that while recording. So just FYI, I was wrong. I'm going to try to edit out a lot of that as much as I can, but I do talk about it a little bit in the video. So if you hear that it's a misprint again, it was just my error. I clearly did not look at the dates. On the right hand side, it should say Ashton Moments, because I wanted to jot down a little bit of things that Ashton does. He's getting older, he's starting to talk a lot more, so I can put in like if he said a new word for this week or something funny that he did. I just wanted to make that box for him, so I can kind of reflect on it throughout the year. And then I also did a mood tracker here. So what I'm thinking, this is going to be kind of like more of a wellness, just kind of the way that I set it up. Again, I'm not 100% sure, it may change up, but I know that I wanted to at least try this planner because it's just absolutely amazing that you can customize it. But so overall, the planner is a 12-month planner. So I have from June until May of 2021. But let me show you the additional pages. I did a little bit, 1 dot grid sheet at the end of the year. I did a to-do section. That's what that TD stands for. And it's just literally just checklists. I also did a home section. This is the dashboard that bled out onto the back of my to-do list. But home just has like my service providers, so I can jot those down. Home maintenance, things that I need to do based on the seasons. And you have a year worth of that. Master cleaning guide, and it has like daily, weekly, monthly, and it is sectioned off by the area of the home. And that is also on this page. On the back here has laundry guide. So it has little tips on how to get rid of different stains, what to do with white colors and darks, things like that. This is fabric care cheat sheet, and basically the little symbols that are on clothes, how to decode that. On the back here is gardening. I don't garden, so I won't be really using this, but I did love all the other things in this home section. This is also a part of the gardening. Family favorites, which I am going to start jotting down. I have started putting some of our family favorites in our household, really is mine's recipe planner from the Happy Planner. We have a sheet that is just dedicated to monthly goals, and that is 1 year of that. And then we have some home project sheets. If you guys have been rocking with me for a while, you know that I am in the process of trying to sell my home, so there are a few home improvement projects that we will be partaking in. And then this is a gift list, which will come in handy during the holidays. We have 2 sheets of that. Behind that is a general shopping list. 2 sheets of that as well. And then we have a sheet for passwords. I don't know if I'll really use this because I do tend to carry my planners with me, and I don't know if I want to have all that sensitive information in one place, but it's there. And then you have yearly expenses. So I think I would more so use this for, I don't know, I guess I could use it overall because I just looked at it and it's broken down by income, expenses, giving, savings, and debt. So it is broken down. And of course you have 1 year of that. And on the back of this is just like an important contact. So doctors, emergencies, dentists, neighbors, things like that. So that is the home section. Next up is the meal section. And we have a meal builder sheet. So it kind of gives you healthy ideas of how to build your plate and what should be on it. This is going to come in handy because I really struggle. Like I can come up with a plate. Like just tonight we baked wings, but we had 0 sides to go with it. So I kind of had to scramble around and come up with something with what we had in the house. So this is definitely going to come in handy. We have substitutions for like baking and cooking. Other substitutions is at the bottom. On the back of this is shopping lists. And then we get into the actual meal planning. And now this is definitely going to come in handy for me because I am the meal planner of the household. And to be able to have it just in one place. Sometimes I put it in my phone. Sometimes it's in my planner. I don't really have like a set area for my meals every week. And then you get a shopping list on the back. And these should pretty much last you the whole year. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. So this one sheet is basically 1 month. So you have a few sheets of that to last you through the whole year. All right, so on the back of this one, we have grocery stores and market. I love that it has the store and then shop here for. So I would definitely sit down with this and think about things that are best to buy like at Target, best to buy at Walmart, best to buy like Aldi's, Kroger's. Like this is really gonna come in handy. Takeout and restaurant favorites. I can't wait to use these because we always have that. We have 1 day a week where we can do a takeout. Usually it's a Friday, and we always kind of just go to pizza. But I would love to put down like different options if we're tired of pizza. But honestly, for me, I can never be tired of pizza. So in the back of this is the annual spending tracker. I don't like that it's broken down between weeks, just because my planner starts in June, but I guess I can always start at that week, whatever week it is in June, and just work my way up through that. It'll just start over obviously once we get into 2021. And then the last section that I got is the social media section. And you guys know I'm trying to grow my YouTube and my Instagrams. By the way, follow me on Instagram if you aren't already following me. But there has some social media posting guides, which I thought was really cool. And honestly, when I was reviewing this, when making my planner, this is more so geared towards like, ironically, it's not really towards a planning, so to speak, Instagram or social media growth thing. It's more so like I don't know. It's just not planner, like directly planner related, but I can definitely use some of these. Like the hashtags are like for Monday, it says Monday motivation, Monday mood, Monday morning, humor, you know, things like that. So, but I can definitely swing it into my planning. So we got mission statement. This is like a social media overview, key message, my audience, definitely strengths and weaknesses. I definitely cannot wait to use that. I have social media goals, overview by the month, and you have 2 sheets of that, by the way. Then you have monthly planning, important dates and holidays. I really need to buckle down and do this because it always, like, things always spring up on me. And being a planner channel, I should be better at this, but I am not. But like International Women's Day, I really didn't have anything planned for that. Major holidays like Valentine's Day, Christmas, I definitely have content planned for that. But those little things, like for instance, International Women's Day, I didn't really have anything planned for that. So definitely am going to be utilizing these monthly planning sheets. So there is enough of that to last you a whole year. Then we get into a campaign audit. I don't really think I will be using this because I'm not that major on my social medias such far, but it is a good thing to have. And this last page here really is going to come in handy because it is login info. Again, I don't feel comfortable carrying around, because I do carry around my planners. I don't feel comfortable having this all in one place, so I may just leave this sheet at home. But I definitely need a place to write down all the different platforms, because, like, for instance, like my blog, I don't log into that on a daily basis. And then obviously, like with Instagram and stuff, it keeps you logged in for a while, so I can easily forget my passwords to stuff. So that is really neat. Then I have a few extra sheets of just dot grit paper, and I believe this is in the back of every Plum Paper. You have the password and my contacts again. And then for the very last page here, they have US holidays between 2020 and 2022, and on the back of here you have a calendar for 2022. So, and of course you get a little pocket and your back cover. My back cover is just plain, nothing on it. So that is my Plum Paper. I am going to do a separate video setting this up. I will get that to you all really soon, because I am going to put all of these bad boys on this. So that is my Plum Paper unboxing. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And as always, if you want it, plan it and do it. Bye guys.